Chitrangada's death and Vichitravirya's coronation. In the heat of battle, the mighty Chitrangada, son of Satyavati, falls to the ground, struck down by the celestial warrior Gandharva. As his life fades, his younger brother, Vichitravirya, is declared the rightful heir. But he is young, and so Bhishma, the indomitable warrior, takes the mantle of protector, ruling Hastinapura until the boy comes of age. Bhishma at the Swayamvara. In the grand halls of Kasi, the Swayamvara begins. Princes from distant lands gather, their eyes fixed on the three radiant princesses. Suddenly Bhishma, the son of Ganga, strides into the court. Gasps of shock ripple through the assembly. The suitors sneer, what does an old, celibate warrior seek in a hall meant for youthful love? Bhishma's combat and abduction of the princesses. But Bhishma does not come as a suitor for himself. He comes as a warrior. In a flash his bow is drawn, and like a tempest he sweeps through the assembled princes, defeating them with unparalleled might. The sky roars with the clash of arms, but none can withstand him. Victorious, Bhishma takes the three princesses onto his chariot and speeds toward Hastinapura. Amba's plea and Salva's rejection. She pleads with King Selva, the man she had chosen. You are my love, take me. But Selva's pride is wounded. Bhishma took you by force, I cannot have you now. He turns away. Amba is shattered and betrayed by fate itself. Amba's desperation and austerities. Her sorrow turns to rage. She renounces the world, retreating into the forest, praying, fasting, suffering, until the six-faced Lord Subramanya appears. He gives her a divine garland. The one who wears this shall be Bhishma's bane, he declares. Amba, seeking a warrior for revenge. But no warrior dares wear the garland. Kings tremble at the very name of Bhishma. Helpless, Amba hangs the garland at Drupada's palace gates and vanishes into exile. Amba's transformation into Sikhandin. Fate grants her a new form. Reborn as Drupada's child, she grows into a warrior Sikhandin. The same garland, untouched for years, now rests upon her own neck. Banished once more, she sharpens a sword, waiting for vengeance. The Kurukshetra battle. Bhishma versus Arjuna and Sikhandin. The great war of Kurukshetra rages. Bhishma, the undefeated, stands tall. Then before him Sikhandin. But Bhishma, bound by honor, refuses to strike one born a woman. Arjuna seizes the moment his arrows rain down. Bhishma's fall. Pierced by 100 arrows, Bhishma falls. He smiles, touching one of them. This is Arjuna's arrow, not Sikhandin's. His time has come. The son of Ganga, the mightiest warrior, meets his destined end.